How to enable Assistant in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your default one. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Enable Assistant. Simply tap on it. And here on the top, tap on Digital Assistant app. Now, in order to change it to Perplexity, simply tap on Perplexity and you'll be all done. So after you change it to Perplexity, all the AI will be changed. So all the voice searches related to whatever you want to will be performed by this app. So mainly it's up to Google, but you can switch it to Perplexity and later it will give you results regarding your queries and searches. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.